Good morning, good morning, good morning, you lovely lot. There's a view to wake up to every day, huh? Yorkshire Dales. You guys picked this spot. Well, not this exact spot, but you picked Yorkshire when I left it up to you guys to choose where I was going. Good choice, people. Good choice indeed. Today's plan of action is to go and have a walk to the viaduct. Have a little explore. And then I need to go and empty my toilet because I've slightly broken it. I pulled it on the wrong bit, on the handly bit that does the blade that opens and shuts it. I need to try and fix it, but I can't do that while it's full. So it's usable. It's just that kind of seals the smell away, doesn't it? So I need to go empty the toilet. And what's the other thing? Oh, we're off to see a waterfall, which will be nice. I like waterfalls, so we'll do that as well. And then tomorrow's home time. Last night was so windy. Oh my goodness, the rain and the wind. I was woken several times in the night, but it's 8 o'clock, so I've had a good sort of snooze. Whereas yesterday I woke at sort of 6:30. Today it's more like 8 o'clock when I've woken up. And I went to bed early as well. I went to bed sort of 10 something. Yeah, about 10ish I think I went. Yeah, about 10 o'clock I think I went to bed. Might have even been slightly earlier, I can't remember, to be honest. And I woke up just before midnight thinking I'd had almost a full night's sleep. But that was the wind woke me up. So yeah, camping malarkey means you go to bed early, which is nice. It's good for me. So even though I've had a disturbed night, I've probably had quite a lot of sleep because I went to bed early. Oh, excuse me. So I'm going to put my makeup on, do my teeth. Good job there's not smelly vision. Hello, toasters. I've eaten my cheese and my fruit. I've got some blueberries if I feel like eating more fruit. And I'm going to drink my tea. Did I say that? Brush my teeth. Put some makeup on. Then I'm done. And I'll go and see what the lads are doing. It's very quiet. I've not heard them. But they will be up, I'm sure, because the dogs get up. So we'll see.
I might have to take some back from you.
I really am at work. Don't forget your bonios.
Bonios?
Not your fig rolls.
Oh.
Can you find any more in your box?
I don't think I can. Oh, I might have 4 of them.
We might have to change the pattern if you can't find any of those. Well, you've messed up the system now, haven't you?
Yeah.
Because they should be laying across the bottom. But he's done some on that side as well.
I don't understand what I've done now.
He's done 4 on there, 4 on there.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then, is it because they're too close to the edge and the dogs will eat them?
Yeah.
You're looking for...
I want a fish.
You want a fish?
And a star.
And a star.
High five! Well done! It's gonna be a wet walk today. Oh, it's not very far. It's just over there. You see the wind and rain coming across, blowing across. It's a little bit like that tunnel, that viaduct is blowing smoke rings. A little bit like that. Because I'm pretty certain it's coming through the tunnel in clumps. It's so cold and wet. That's the Ribble, what is it? The Ribblehead viaduct. The reason you can't hear me is because of this. It's so very cold and wet. I've literally got so many layers of my coat up. It's crazy.
Very much like rook.
How very apt. We now have chips and more tea and coffee. It's one of those days because it's so cold and wet. It is time for hot chocolate. Wow.
Thanks a lot.
Can you make it go ping for me, please? Thank you.
Some people are easy.
So easily pleased. Got a real urge to sing Postman Pat. Postman Pat, Postman Pat, Postman Pat, and his black and white cat. All the birds are singing and the day is just beginning. Pat feels he's a really lucky man. I have driven through proper Postman Pat countryside. We're on the hunt for waterfalls because the sun's come out. A particular waterfall. Look over there, it looks like a dinosaur print. Oh, you probably can't see it. No, you probably can't see it. Woohoo! Up the hill. Going now. Okay, so that's the falls over there. We've got to find somewhere to park, have we? There's parking up there. We park there. As long as it's not a spog get stuck spot. Okay, am I going there? That's where it is. That's where it is. Okay, I can't go there. I will get stuck. Stuck in mud. I can feel it in my bones. What do we think? Right, we'll dump it here. Right, let's go find the waterfall. We have picked tonight's camp location. We are in the Malham Tarn National Trust bit on the side of the road. It is very windy, but very remote and very beautiful. Let me show you. There we go. So it's about 6 o'clock. No, later than 6 o'clock. Maybe 7, I'm not sure. Anyway, I have had a good old top to toe wash. I have emptied the water out and I've got fresh water so that I can wash up the dishes. I'm doing myself some coconut and butternut squash soup. I'm going to add a bit of grated cheese with it for my dinner. And I've got some gluten-free bread left to dunk. So yeah, that's my dinner. It's nice and toasty in here. 28 degrees, look. 28 degrees. Nice and toasty. I've just turned the heater off because it was getting a tad too hot, especially with the cooking. Yeah, last night here. Then we'll have a cuppa and a chit chat tonight, and then we're going to swap some footage that we've got, video footage, to add to our vlogs and our videos. And yeah, last cup of tea tomorrow after breakfast, and then I'll be heading home. I miss my boys. I do miss my boys, but I'm really missing Lee. But I always do, because like I said before, we're always really snuggly. And this is kind of the longest. I mean, I've done Friday to Monday before, a long time ago. It's kind of the longest we've ever really been apart. 4 days. So, right, I'll just get on with my dinner, I think. There's my dinner. My Corona. My Corona. My Corona.
My Corona.